Hi everyone. So you might be having issue to access your Ninja Farm submission from your dashboard. So maybe you are navigating to Ninja Farm's submissions. You might be having a blank page. This has happened after the WordPress 6.6 has been upgraded on your server. So that has a tricks to resolve the issue. At first, go back to the settings. Then scroll down to the advanced settings tab. Then click on the show legacy submissions page. Check this option. Scroll down and click to save changes. Then refresh this page. You can just click on the reload button, or you can just come here and press enter. So this page will be reloaded as mentioned here. So after the settings have been changed, this page need to refresh. And if you already tried the submission page on another browser tab, just close this tab and click the submission button from a fresh window. So you see now it's working. You can check your contact form and access your all the submissions from here. I hope that helps. Give it a try and let me know how that goes. Thank you so much.